How to pay Capital One credit card online. Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to pay your Capital One credit card online quickly and easily. Whether you're making a full payment or just the minimum, I'll walk you through the process step by step. So let's get started. First, go to CapitalOne.com and log into your account. You'll need your username and password to access your credit card information. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Accounts section and select your credit card from the list of accounts. Then look for the Make a Payment option. It's usually found under the Payments or Manage tabs. Next, you'll be prompted to choose the amount you want to pay. So you can either pay the full statement balance, the minimum payment due, or a custom account. So select the option that works best for you and enter the amount. Now, choose your payment method. You can use a linked bank account or add a new one if you haven't set one up already. Make sure the payment method is correct before proceeding. Once everything looks good, review the payment details one more time, then click Submit Payment to finalize the transaction. Capital One will send you a confirmation once the payment is processed. And that's how you pay your Capital One credit card online. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more guides. Thanks for watching.